This is a brand new 2014 Honda Pilot. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a DVD player, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Bill Pierce Courtesy Honda for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, call our internet department, visit our website, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 780 Kitski Lane in Reno. We look forward to serving you.